everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Let's get started with blending. We're blending onset and rhyme. Ag. Drag. Ick. Trick. Ill. Drill. Ust. Trust. Anch. Branch. Ept. Crept. Unch. Brunch. App. Trap. All right. I'm going to say 3 words now, and I want you to repeat them after me and then say the sound you hear at the end. Strike, cheek, oak. Ending sound is k. Big, slug, flag. Ending sound is g. Flab, rob, crab. Ending sound is b. Rough, whiff, bluff. Ending sound is f. Drape, rope, clap. Ending sound is p. Meat, plate, frost. Ending sound is t. Smell, tall, smile. Ending sound is l. Last one, slim, time, same. Ending sound is mm. Good. All right, now we're going to segment onset and rhyme. So I'll say a word, you repeat it, and then we'll chop it. Onset, rhyme. Remember, when we're chopping onset and rhyme, it's only 2 chops. Brush. Ush. Crust. Ust. Tram. Am. Drench. Ench. Grim. Im. Trash. Ash. Brisk. Isk. Crush. Ush. Grant. Ant. Trust. Ust. All right, get your fist ready. We're going to substitute some phonemes. The first word is crunch. Change cr to br. Brunch. The word is drop. Change dr to pr. Prop. The word is trust. Change tr to cr. Crust. The word is grip. Change gr to dr. Drip. The word is draft. Change dr to gr. Graft. The word is crush. Change cr to br. Brush. The word is drank. Change dr to pl. Plank. Good. All right, now we're going to add phonemes. So we're going to start with the ending part, the rhyme, and then we're going to add the onset, and put it together to make a word. Here we go. The word is rack. Add t to the beginning. Track. The word is add dr to the beginning. Drum. The word is rush. Add k to the beginning. Crush. The word is ash. Add cr to the beginning. Crash. The word is and. Add br to the beginning. Brand. All right. Last exercise, we're deleting phonemes. Start with the whole word and remove either one sound, one phoneme, or a blend. So that's two phonemes. The word is trust. Without t, the word is rust. The word is friend. Without fr, the word is end. The word is grin. Without gr, the word is in. The word is trip. Without t, the word is rip. The word is gramp. Without g, the word is ramp. Good job today.